Hey guys, and welcome back. Retekess has sent us several different items to review over the past year. They sent in a lot of handheld stuff, some ham radio and GMRS radios and whatnot, and they sent us some receivers like the V115 little pocket AM/FM shortwave receiver. They sent in the TR112 that we will did a review on about 2 months ago, and we will be announcing the winner of the giveaway in this video somewhere along the line. So be sure to stay tuned in to that and listen to see who won the 112. And today we have the Retekess TR111, and this little thing has impressed me. It is a shortwave radio. It's a pocket radio with Bluetooth, AM, FM, shortwave, VHF, weather band. Radio can be controlled with an app. Has a TF slot, does recording, clock, alarm, sleep timer, SOS, and flashlight. A lot of little stuff rolled up in this little radio. So open up the box and I'll pull out the stuff and show you what comes with it. So here we are, guys. Comes with a very thick user manual, which is in a lot of different languages. So about from here to here is the English version. So it shows you not quite as thick as you think it would be just for the English. Comes with a app instruction manual, and this works with either iPhone or Android. Little carrying pouch, USB, the USB-C power cord for charging the internal battery, a little hand strap that you can mount to it, and the radio itself. Now this radio is about 2 inches wide, 1 5/8 tall, and about 1 1/8 thick. And looking at the controls, you can see we had the power button, the band, memo and set, volume up and time, and volume down and alarm setting. And on this side you have your up down buttons. And you can see it has the base technology in it, just like the TR112 does. And you can see our speaker here. We have our light and SOS button on the side, and there's our TF slot. And then on the top of it you see your flashlight, your USB charger, headphone cable, and the telescoping whip antenna. Little radio packed with a lot of stuff. Anyway, I'll flash the screenshot of the radio up here in just a second, so you can see what it is. This radio is around $54, which is not that bad. You know, it might sound like a little high price, but it's not that bad for what this little radio will do. Okay, and you can see on the screen all the features that it has. So yeah, it's a virtual little radio, and I really like the app. I bring the app up. You see I'm come right here, and I'll hit the power button. That turns the radio on. I can adjust the volume up and down. I can change bands. So if I want to change bands, I'll come here, I'll put in enter. I'll go to 15.000. You see the radio automatically changed. And if you listen real close, you can hear WWV on 15 megahertz. Kind of a bad time of the day to be hearing that. But then we can control a lot of different stuff here. We can come right here, hit band. This is that AM, FM, shortwave, weather band. Go to weather band.
Raleigh, and is transmitted from an antenna located southeast of Rocky Mount in Edgecombe County. The station serves the northern coastal plain of North Carolina. Here is the latest weather synopsis. A quasi-stationary front will waver over western and northern North Carolina through Monday in advance of an area of low pressure that will move through the region.
Turn the volume back down. We can go into now when you use the enter button to put frequency into it, you need to be on the band that you want to be on. If I want to go to 1071, which is our local AM station, if I come so here, I'll hit enter 1.071, and that band just came in. It's playing music, so we won't keep it on that. Yeah, so the app makes this thing very, very versatile. Anyway, let's switch over to our drawing winner. Right click, we'll splash those up on the screen. We'll hit enter, and yep, Bass Roots Fishing. Well, congratulations, you have won the TR112. Go to the show more tab, video description tab, just underneath the video. Follow the link. You'll see how to contact me via email, and we'll have one of these TR112s drop shipped to you. So again, congratulations. Yes, a pretty nice little radio. So if you come here on the side and you hit the button once you see the dial light comes on. Okay, so one of the other features it has is a flashlight. If you come here and you hit the orange button twice, you can see we got a flashlight comes on. Hit it again, cut it off. Also, when you hit the button, the dial light comes on. Now, hold your ears. I'll mute this down a little bit in the video. But if you hold the button, yeah, that's a pretty loud little siren. Should deter anyone chasing after you if you hit that thing. It says here on the back that the SOS is 3 watt, flashlight's 1 watt, has a input voltage of 5 volts, media player is MP3, the lithium battery is 3.5 at 1000 milliamp hours. I can tell you the technology of little pocket radios has came a long way since I was a kid. I remember having several little transistor pocket radios when I was just a teen myself, and they were twice as big as this, you know, so, and they run on AA batteries, and they didn't last long. One thing I found about this, I was in here playing with it, and I left it on for 2 days, and the battery didn't even go down half. So it doesn't draw a lot of power from the battery when it's just sitting here and not playing nothing. So one thing that would really have improved this radio was to put another jack in for an external antenna. Yeah, that's more cost, but you know, delete the flashlight and put in another jack for external antenna. So you know, there's no way to really connect the external antenna to this, not unless you raise the antenna up and then take your shortwave antenna and just clip onto it.
Welcome back to the Super Bowl 58 edition of NFL Preview on Westwood One from our Progressive Insurance set here in Las Vegas. I'm Scott Graham along with Ross Tucker. Drivers who switch and save with Progressive save nearly $750 on average. Call or click today to find out if Progressive.
You see the signal's kind of low with the regular antenna. If I clip the shortwave antenna back to it.
you have the opportunity to tell our entire listening
full
audience
signal on that.
who is going to win this
that
game
frequency.
and how.
Well, I don't know who's going to win, but I can tell you who I think has the better chance to win.
Yeah, so that would have been a nice little feature to put on these radios. I noticed none of these radios that are coming from Retekess has a external antenna jack, so that would be a nice addition to add to those. You know, for a little radio, it is a big performer, so it's not bad at all. I like it. This will be nice to just keep in the truck, glove box, or whatever, in case you need to pull something out and want to take a listen to something. There you are. Check propagation on the shortwave bands. Great for that, especially out doing some field work on your HF radio. It's nice to have little devices like this from time to time. Anyway, guys, I'll leave the link to the description and the link to the radio down below. If you want to check one out, please do. I'm not affiliated with Retekess in any kind of way. They just send me products. I'll review them and take a look at them. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Again, congrats to Bass Roots Fishing for winning the TR112. And guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.